Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Decor by Debs. My name is Deborah. I'm going to be doing an organic balloon garland for you. It's for my niece's birthday and I'm really excited. And I'm just going to talk through the brands and the sizes that I'm going to be doing. So we have Khalistan. These are 5 inches. These are the little balloons. We're using Fuchsia. It's called Fuchsia. We also have Tuftex. This is called Orange. We've got the 5-inch balloons in the orange. We've got some pink orbs. They look really colorful. Really excited to use that. And we also got some Khalistan 12 inches in Fuchsia. The other balloons that we have are Tuftex. We've got 12 inches in orange. And last but not least, we've got the big 24 inches Khalistan Fuchsia, as well as 24 inches in Tuftex Orange. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Stay until the end because I've got some great tips for you guys, and thank you so much. We're using this balloon pump. Got it from Amazon. It's going to pump up the balloons. We've got the 11-inch Fuchsia, Tuftex Fuchsia. So when you blow them up, you want to make sure that you let some air out like this. That's how I'm doing, because you want a round shape. That's the shape that you want. The one on the left, you don't want that because that looks like an egg. You don't want that to look like an egg. Basically, let some air out and you can have that round shape. They're so cute. They look like bubblegum. You tie them together and then you have a pair. And you add another pair, you twist them around together and you have a cluster. We're going to do the same for the orange balloons. So you blow them up again. As you can see, the shape of an egg, so we don't want that. But this color is pretty. So let some air out. You can see the difference in the shape. Let out the air in the other balloon as well. Twist them around and then tie them together. So what we're trying to do is to create a cluster. So we're blowing up another pair to make sure that you kind of have to size it up with your eyes and see if they're about the same size. It doesn't really matter because this is an organic balloon garland. So you've got 2 pairs. So what you want to do is crisscross them. I was really happy about the color. Crisscross them and then you have a beautiful cluster. Absolutely loving it. Throw it at the back just because I'll find it there. So what I'm using here is fishing wire, which you can also get on Amazon, and I'm going to start with the pink at the bottom. So what you want to do is tie the fishing wire around your first cluster like that. Make sure that it's secure. I usually tie it around 3 times and leave some fishing wire at the end, just to make sure that it is secure. So I'm going to add a cluster on top of this one, twist it around. What you want to do is make like a figure 8 around all the balloons so that they are secure together. Get another cluster, put it on top of it, repeat the same steps, make a figure 8 around the top cluster with the middle one. So what you're connecting is the top cluster with the one below it. I think I'm going to do about 4 clusters. I think that will be a great start. So I'm adding my final cluster. Sorry, you can't really see it very well here, but I'll show you in a minute what it looks like as a final product. So I'm just twisting around the fishing wire to make sure it's secure. So as you can see, it's all together and it looks like none of them are moving. So we're gonna go to the orange with the orange cluster. So you want to make clusters of 4. I find them easier to work with. So we're doing the same thing with the fishing wire, just wrapping around. So we're just going to continue doing that until we have a stem garland, which will just be a straight one. So enjoy. So I'm adding one more orange cluster. This will be the final one. So we've connected the pink balloons with the orange balloons. As you can see, it's very secure. I've tapped it, it's not moving, none of the balloons are moving, so it's great. So here we've started with pink, then orange, then pink. So we're going to continue with that pattern from the floor to the ceiling. So I'm looking forward to it. What we're going to do next is to add some accent balloons, which basically we add some vavavoom to the stem garland that we can see that we've made at the back. So at that point I had forgotten the name of the balloon. It's an 18-inch balloon, so we've got 11-inch and 18-inch. We've got two pairs of 11-inch. So what we're going to do is connect the 11-inch with the 260 on one end, and then connect the pair with the 18-inch with the 260 on the other end. So we do this because it's just an easier way to add these accent balloons to the garland, just to kind of give it some sort of volume, to give it some sort of body, and to also give it some shape. So as you can see, just twisting them around. You can move the balloons however you want until you have the shape that you're satisfied with. I added some 5-inch balloons just to give it different dimension. And what we're going to do here is to also add another accent balloon. This is a 24-inch transparent balloon, which I love to use because they look like water drops, and I also love the reflection of them from the other colors in the garland. So we used a 260 to add it to the garland, so you can see it right there. It just gives it a different visual. And we've also got an orbs and ombre orbs, which I got from Pro Balloons. Love these orbs. So I'm also going to attach this by making a loop with a 260 balloon. So what you want to do is create a hoop and tie it on the orbs, and then hoop it around one of the balloons in the garland. And you also want to make sure that it's facing the right way so that you can see the writing. So this is the final product. I'm absolutely gobsmacked and I love this balloon garland. My niece loved it. Let me know in the comments what you think. Make sure that you like. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this lovely garland for my niece's birthday. And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. This is Decor by Debs. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.